Former Central Intelligence Organization CIO Chief Epiton Bonyongwe and Lovemo Itai Mukandi have reviewed the extent of political interference in Zimbabwe's intelligence services, warning through their own accounts of a recurring pattern that would culminate in another military-assisted transition similar to the 2017 coup. Sanabena mashuku budanyo kwa pangwa ino jinsi. Former top spies predict another coup. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina wanamu budanyo kwa mchinzi. Their mayors published earlier this year detail how the CIO became deeply entangled in ZANU-PF succession politics, transforming what should have been a professional national institution into a partisan tool for preserving political power. Analysts say the revelation exposed the same institutional weaknesses and factional rivalries that triggered Mugabe's ouster and could once again threaten stability as the Mnangagwa succession battle intensifies. In an opinion piece published by ZVAITWA, Professor Allen Munoriarwa of Walter Sisulu University argues that the two former spy chiefs' accounts demonstrate how the intelligence agency serves not national interests but the narrow political objectives of the ruling party. He warns that the ongoing infiltration of state security structures into internal ZANU-PF conflicts echoes the same patterns that preceded the 2017 coup, reflecting what he terms institutional capture and parallel intelligence operations. Below is a abridged vision of Professor Munoriarwa's opinion piece. This year has been a pivotal one for Zimbabwe politics. The ongoing succession dispute between President and his Vice President shows no sign of abating. All signs point to a dog-eat-dog content in a coming years, with the potential for brutal, even violent conclusion. To understand the unfolding crisis, let us rewind to February 2025. Former CIO Director General Epiton Bonyongwe, the longest-serving head of the country's state security service under the late ex-president Robert Mugabe, launched an autobiography titled "One Among Many: My Contribution to the Zimbabwean Story," almost immediately after another former CIO Deputy Director General Lovemo Itai Mukandi published his own tell-all book, How Mnangagwa Blindsided Robert Mugabe and Grabbed Zimbabwe. It now seems fashionable for former spy chiefs to document their organizational experiences. The icing on the cake, however, came with the ruling party's annual conference, which served as the comic relief amid a release of the two explosive books. At the ZANU-PF conference, the party resolved to extend the presidency tenure to 2030. Notably, in July last year, PANECHAMISA announced the same resolution. Doma shukaripo pangwa inofshinzi situation yabo mu Zimbabwe, it might lead to the coup. Penagoma section medu za funguro enyi motu kudipa mzolo pe chitko ichi. Sound subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.